Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2025 Can-Am Defender Max Limited. This video is about the all-new Ryco Street Legal kit for the Defenders. Now, this is an upgraded kit from the kits in the past. Why? You're going to learn right now. Part number 8112A. There is 2 boxes that you'll receive when you order this kit online or stop in and pick it up. A little bit about the kit. So this kit is the nicer street legal kit from Ryco. It does replace these stock signature lights from Can-Am. Yes, the stock ones, they're going, and these from Ryco are coming in. The big difference that's new for this series is the housing. So when you take off this center console part for the steering mechanism, we've been bolting the Ryco Street Legal kit lever right onto the post, and all of this area has been exposed. Well, check this out. This is such a better look. It completes the Defenders. Bolts on really easy. The installation isn't going to take you a whole lot longer than previous, but look at the fit and finish on that. This is the best out there. So how does the street legal kit work? Just like a car, down will be left. You do have those indicator lights up on the dash, letting you know the turn signals are on. And check this out. Very nice, very nice. Very bright. The functionality looks awesome. No holes to drill anywhere on your Defender. Around the back side, it's going to tie into all those bright LEDs in the back. The Ryco kit also comes with your license plate mount, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. There's quite a few different places you can mount the license plate. Some people prefer it down here. Other people prefer it somewhere up along the bed space here. Either place is going to work just fine. The Ryco kit also has the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All 4 corners are going to illuminate. Very nice. And then around the back side, looks good. The Ryco kit is going to come with everything you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah, with the exception of mirrors. Now, the Defender Limited does come with a rear view mirror from the factory. And to be street legal in Utah, you need 1 additional mirror. We refer to these mirrors as the trucker. These are sold as a pair. But to be street legal in Utah, you need 1 on each side of the driver. That can be accomplished with a left view and a right view, or a left view and a rear view. It's completely up to you. Most of our customers go with all 3. The trucker mirror does fold in and out of the way. Check out our other videos about the trucker mirror. There you have it. The all-new upgraded kit from Ryco. We appreciate all the hard work they do, providing the best street legal kits in the business. Have a good day, everybody. We'll be sure and post up a link in the description below where you can go on and place your order online today. We have these kits in stock, ready to ship.